Hey there, welcome to my stateroom aboard the Celebrity Flora. Come on in. First up, the closets. Each stateroom comes with robes, slippers, a safe, and binoculars. Next is the very spacious bathroom with a 2-faucet sink and plenty of storage space, complete with amenities including a very important one, sunscreen. There's a filtered water faucet for you to use to refill the water bottles that they provide you with, all along with a standing shower and a toilet. And now for the rest of this sky suite with veranda room, where the beds can be together or separate. A great perk on this trip is that your laundry can be done twice during the stay. They provided us with backpacks to use during the journey. And now for the veranda, which is a perfect place to have a drink before dinner and enjoy the sunset. All right, now that the room is covered, let's go check out the rest of the ship. Starting on the bottom floor, this is where we get on and off the ship to get onto the tenders for our daily excursions. There's also a lounge and a shop along with guest services. One flight up, you'll find one of the 2 whirlpools that are on board right before entering the Discovery Lounge. This is where you'll come each night for happy hour and to hear the presentations that will explain the next day's excursions. Also on this floor is the main restaurant, Seaside. This is where you'll come for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, with always a variety of items to choose from, and don't worry, it's all delicious too. The next floor up is where the spa is, where you can enjoy a nice massage. And if the excursions aren't enough exercise for you, there's a gym on board too. On the 6th floor is where you can ask to get a bridge tour and see how the captain manages the ship and uses all of this incredible technology. And if you want, you could try and take over too. Now we've arrived to the top deck on floor 7, where there are plenty of places to lounge and relax or enjoy the other whirlpool while you take in the incredible views of the Galapagos Islands. This is also where you can book a glamping experience. Up here is also where you'll find the Ocean Grill, where you can have dinner under the stars or a casual lunch. Inside the observatory is where you get a captain's view of what's ahead, but I prefer to be. Up on the observation deck is the place to come for the best view. Sunrise, sunset, whatever it is, this is where you want to be. I hope you enjoyed checking out the Celebrity Floor with me. For more information, click the link below. So until next time, I'm Allison Berger, and don't forget, I'm FunSized. I think I blinked more than winked.